Hello students, today I will explain the topic decimal expansion. Decimal expansion is classified as terminating decimal expansion and non-terminating decimal expansion. Non-terminating decimal expansion is further classified as non-terminating but repeating decimal expansion and non-terminating and non-repeating decimal expansion. Now terminating decimal. A terminating decimal is a decimal that ends. It is a decimal with a finite number of digits. Examples. Example 1 is 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. Another example is 7 by 5 is equal to 1.4. Implies that rational numbers have terminating decimal expansion. Its denominator is of the form mth power of 2 into nth power of 5, where m and n are non-negative integers. In a fraction 1 by 2, value of denominator is 2. So its denominator is of the form mth power of 2 into nth power of 5. Now non-terminating but repeating. Non-terminating but repeating are those numbers which keep on repeating the same value after decimal point. These numbers are also known as recurring numbers. For example, 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857 bar. Another example is 15 by 11 is equal to 1.36 bar. Implies that rational numbers have also non-terminating but repeating decimal expansion. Its denominator is not the form mth power of 2 into nth power of 5. In a fraction 15 by 11, value of denominator is equal to 11. Hence, its denominator is not the form mth power of 2 into nth power of 5. Now, non-terminating, non-repeating decimal expansion. The decimal expansion of every irrational number is non-terminating and non-repeating. Example 1 is 29.1001001000 dot dot dot. Another example is 3.2121121112111 dot dot dot. Now someone without actual performing the long division state whether the following rational numbers will have terminating decimal expansion or a non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Someone 23 divided by 2 cube into 5 square. In 23 divided by 2 cube into 5 square, value of denominator is equal to 2 cube into 5 square. Denominator is of the form mth power of 2 into nth power of 5. Hence 23 divided by 2 cube into 5 square has terminating decimal expansion. Second sum is 64 divided by 455. In a fraction 64 divided by 455, value of denominator is equal to 455. This will be equal to 5 into 7 into 13. Denominator is not the form of mth power of 2 into nth power of 5. Hence 64 divided by 455 has non-terminating repeating. Thank you, students.